January 6, 2050. You have been chosen by our investigation as the heir to this package. Throughout time, our firm has been specialized in the safekeeping of sensitive documents and objects of all sorts. 30 years ago, this box was entrusted to us by your grandfather with instructions to keep it safe. We were to deliver this box to him or his heir when the time came. As your grandfather has passed, the box is yours henceforth. Do understand that we respect our client's privacy and cannot divulge information on how this box arrived in your possession or why he chose to hide it for such a long time. Respectfully,